Okay, hi class. Welcome to week 3. I am super, super casual in this video. Sorry, I just, comfort is important right now. I just couldn't get it together to make this video. So, all right, so what we're going to talk about this week, we're going to talk about the environment of fashion, right? And the environment of fashion is really important because there is a whole psychology behind making choices and making choices in development of brands and fabrics and patterns and styling. All of that is based on some psychology. So that's what we're going to talk about this week. We're going to talk about those environments that are important. Sorry, my notes are down here. I'm trying to get to it, make sure I don't miss anything. All right. So what we're going to talk about this week is we're going to talk about the career we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about trend forecasting. I'm prefacing that because we're going to talk a lot about some environments and some psychology stuff, some more marketing business kind of background stuff. So it was important for me to tell you what the career is at the beginning, okay? So we're going to talk about trend forecasting, but in order to understand trend forecasting, you have to understand who your customer is, right? And by understanding, what market segmentation means, the economic environment, the sociological environment, and the psychological environment, those are all things that are going to help you understand who your customer is, and as a result, be a good trend forecaster, okay? Also, we're going to have a discussion board where you're going to do some trend forecasting. You're going to talk, I have an article that you're going to read, and then you're going to, form your opinion based on what we saw, okay? All right, so again, what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about market segmentation. As always, there's some terminology in there, and we're going to understand those environments that affect fashion. So what do you do next, right? Next, you are going to read the textbook. First, you're going to read the textbook. You're going to view the lecture. Lecture is exciting. You're going to meet an actual trend forecaster, and I'm going to provide you some resources as well, just resources that you should have in your fashion toolkit, right? These are places you should be going on a regular basis to get your news information, and they're actually job boards too, so there's the ability to apply for positions there too. So you're going to learn about trend forecaster. So next, read the book, review the lecture, do the discussion board, read the recaps. Easy peasy, same thing. Discussion board. The discussion board, initial post for your discussion board is due on Tuesday, and the final post is due by Friday. Now, there's no way in Canvas for me to give something to due date, so I have to say that it's due on Friday, but I will send a reminder out on Tuesday afternoon, just to the folks who haven't done it. If you can do everything in one shot. So when you do your initial post, if there's other students that are already there, go ahead and get your 3, responses done, and then you're done. But if you're the first person, you have to come back. The first couple of people have to come back. So if you have any questions, as always, hit me on the inbox. I'm going to try to only do one announcement this week. I'm going to try. But if something pops up, there's no promises, okay? All right. See you guys.